Have you ever noticed how some websites just feel good to use? That's not a coincidence. It's good UI design. Of course, UI isn't the only factor, but let's be honest, no one likes an ugly website. So, how do we create beautiful modern UIs without spending hours on design? Well, in this video, I'll show you an amazing website that makes it super easy, uiverse.io, a place full of ready-to-use open source UI components. Now, let's learn how to integrate these ready-made UIs into your applications using Python. You can easily build medium-sized web applications using Python and Flask. It's simple, lightweight, and perfect for small to mid-level projects. First, let's install Flask. You can do that with this command. I've already installed it before, so we're good to go. Now, when we visit this route, it's going to render the index.html page. So what's inside that file? Just a simple button, nothing fancy yet. All right, let's run our Flask app. Open the browser. And here it is, our terrible looking button. No one wants a button like this on their website, right? So let's make it look awesome. There's this website called uiverse.io, and it has tons of cool ready-made UI components. Buttons, login screens, cards, you name it. Let's find something nice. I'll choose this button, looks clean and modern. Now I'll copy the CSS code, then the HTML code, paste both into my Flask project, restart the app, and boom, we've got ourselves a cool, modern button. But that's not all. uiverse also has full UI elements like login pages. Let's grab one of those too. I'll copy the CSS first, then paste the HTML into the body of our index.html file. Now let's restart Flask. And just like that, we've added a beautiful login screen. I hope this video helped you out. If you'd like to support the channel, you can join our YouTube membership for early access to new videos. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss upcoming uploads. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!